Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Hello, I'm doing a little mini unboxing today. I finally got my face globes and I thought I would do an unboxing video with them. Here's a bag. Here's what was in the bag. Sonage Friol's Icy Glows Facial Massager. Reduce puffiness and redness. The new natural. Frizz Icy Glows Facial Massager. To help stimulate blood circulation and help depuff the face and eye area. Reduces breakouts, shrinks pores, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I don't know about that, but it helps with the lymphatic drainage, I believe. And they didn't kill any rabbits in the process of making them or anything. So let me unbox it. Here's on the side of the box. Beauty like food should be a health choice. Anisha Kanana, or whatever, CEO of Sonage Skincare. Here's the globes. They're kind of cute looking. Hang on, let me get them out. And here they are. Aren't they cute? You massage your face with them. You like put them in the refrigerator and let them chill. But I like how they're glittery and stuff. Aren't they cute? Well, that's all. I just want to show that what I didn't get, or what I was supposed to get, and I'm glad I've got them. Just like when you have something like missing from a Ipsy bag, just be sure to contact support. They always do pretty good to get back at you and resolve your issues, and I'm glad they were able to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on social media, or subscribe on YouTube, and follow me on social media. Thank you for watching.